nitro, if you using the Grignard, if you use a Grignard reacting with the nitro, this makes an attack, make a imine anion, which will be hydrolyzed, that will be ketone, right? Nitro can be used to make a ketone. If you're reacting with the diol, not the carbon chain, hydride makes an attack, same imine anion, hydrolyzed to the carbonyl, that makes an aldehyde. Okay. If you use a nitrile with the lithium aluminum hydride, then this will be adding hydrogen here, adding another hydrogen, and then that will be becomes neutralized. You're actually going to get the amine. What else you can do? If you nitrile, you're cooking with the acidic water. I'm talking about hydrochloric acid in water, sulfuric acid in water. It will become carboxylic acid. We haven't talked about the mechanism of this one yet. That's what happens. If you have a ester, right, you can make an aldehyde if you're using a diol, right? Remember that hydride, one hydride delivery, and then make an aldehyde. If you're using a lithium aluminum hydride, using an ester, you get the primary alcohol. And obviously, the other components will just release an alcohol. Acid chloride can be also used. Acid chloride, if you're reacting with this aluminum hydride, but not the diol, not the lithium aluminum hydride, this is a tri-butoxy aluminum hydride. That replaces a chlorine and it makes an aldehyde. And then where this acid chloride is coming from, that's coming from the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid replacing the chloride, the OH with the thionyl chloride. You can also use oxide chloride, then you can make acid chloride. This one, reacting with dialkyl cuprate, you can make a ketone. See, now it's all connected. I'm going to keep providing things like this as we keep going on, but now the lot of reaction is connected. There's so many ways to make things happen. So that's what makes it very difficult. There's too many things to keep in mind. But that's why I like to summarize things like this. I know these slides is very condensed form. A lot of it can skip. Assuming you understand this, but they're all different ways to make things together. So I want you to consider this. Acid chloride, if you're using a lithium aluminum hydride, if you want to get the aldehyde, you get the primary alcohol. I mean, you get the aldehyde first, which will reduce again, then you get the primary alcohol. What else? Oh, the acid chloride, if you're using a Grignard, it'll react once, you get the ketone, but it'll react again, you get the tertiary alcohol. I mean, that's kind of the things we discussed for a long time. But I just want to finish the whole picture.